In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your payment options with JVZoo. JVZoo is probably one of the most popular affiliate platforms out there, and the reason why is because they have it to where you can very easily create upsells. They got a complete built-in funnel that goes extremely deep, and it's just become one of the most popular platforms out there. So the first thing is I'm going to show you what we want to achieve in this video. So if I come over here to the front end, this is what a customer sees. And if they come over here to the store, then they're going to be taken to your store sales page. And so up here at the top, these are your levels. And then down below, these are the products that are inside of that specific membership. So I'm going to come over here, I'm going to click the Learn More button. And then this is going to take me to the sales page for that specific product. And you see down here, we have the packages that are available for that product. Now, in this example, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take package number C, and we're going to price this at $47. So when you click this button here, it's going to take you over to JVZoo, where they're able to make a payment and they're able to get access to package number C. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and log into our JVZoo account. So I'm going to go ahead and click the login button. And now we're over here on the dashboard. This is an account I do a lot of things with, but what we want to do is we want to get our API key first. So if we come over here to my account, and we're going to pull it down to applications. Now, you may already have an API key already created here, but if you don't, you're going to come over here and click Create New App. And as soon as you do that, you're going to go ahead and name this. I'm just going to call ahead and name it number 2, and I'll just say App for Membership Site. And we'll go ahead and change it to an active status if it's not already there. We're going to go ahead and save the API app. And now you see that I've gone and created this API key. So we're going to go ahead and copy this new API key. We're going to come back over here to Member Hub, and we're going to come over here to Integrations. Now we'll come over here to the Payment Gateway. We're going to click on JVZoo, and we're going to go ahead and paste this API key here, and we're going to go ahead and save it. Now, if we've done this right, you'll see that there's a check mark right here for JVZoo. That means we're integrated. The next thing we need to do is let's go ahead and take a look at this. So we'll come over here to our dashboard, and I'll come over here to the membership site that we're going to be working on, and we're going to come over here to packages. Now, I'm going to go ahead and choose the product that I want to set the package for. And remember, we're going to take package C. We're going to set it for $47. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to click the Edit button. And you see that the package has already been created. I got package C. Here is the product that package C is related to. Here's the contents of the product. Here's the description. All of that is appearing over here. And now we're going to come over here to payment options. And now we're going to choose JVZoo. Next thing is we're going to go ahead and set the price for $47. And now we're going to take this payment notification URL right here, and we're going to paste that inside of JVZoo. And then JVZoo in return is going to give us button code, and that button code is then going to be linked to our package, and it'll work for the whole entire membership site. So what we have to do now is we have to come back over here to JVZoo, and we need to create a product. So we're going to come over here and click on Sellers, and we're going to come over here to Sellers Dashboard. And now you see that I've got one product that's been created, but let's go ahead and add a new product. So I'm going to click this button right here. And now this is pretty self-explanatory. Now I'm going to do the shortcut way of doing things, and it's up to you to figure out the rest of how JVZoo works. And they have amazing tutorials throughout the whole entire platform. If you choose to use JVZoo, I would learn everything about this. So the first thing is, yes, we want to allow sales. Now, JVZoo has its own marketplace. So if you notice, it's set to yes. But if I set this to no, then what happens is it closes over here in the product library. Okay, so if you open this up, there's a tutorial video that shows you exactly how to add your product to the library. You would put in a description, choose your category, additional categories. All of that stuff's pretty self-explanatory. I'm going to set it to no for right now. It's got a launch date and time, so if you go ahead and change this here, then the product will actually be ready to be sold. We're going to go ahead and put in our product here. So I'm just going to say AMZ-package. Now, you might call it something different. We're going to go ahead and choose our currency. We're going to put in our price. So remember, we wanted $47. I'm not worried about doing a commission percentage unless you want to use JVZoo as an affiliate platform. But remember, MemberHub has it set up so that you're able to use MemberHub as an affiliate platform. But if you want to feature the product inside the marketplace and you want to find affiliates from the JVZoo marketplace, then you can come over here and you can set this for 50% or whatever you want to do. The quantity is going to be 1. You're going to go ahead and put in your support email address if you have one. So I'll do support@chadnicely.com, or you can put in your support URL. So I'll also do chadnicelysupport.com. Okay. For our landing page or our sales funnel, we could go ahead and pull one of the pages from out of MemberHub. So if I come back in here to the back end, and if I come over here to step number 6, and if I come over to the product I'm working on, I can go ahead and click this button right here, and I can go ahead and copy this URL right here, and I'll go ahead and paste that right there, and it's fine for the sales page URL as well. You can set this to no. Matter of fact, we only need this link right here. Pass affiliate ID to the sales page. You can learn all about this if you want. We're not going to get into it with this video here. The thank you page, what we could do is we can go ahead and choose another sales page inside of here. So if like I want to choose this product here, I could do this for the thank you page. So when they buy, after they receive access, they're going to be taken to here. Or this could actually be the login page to your membership. Or if you want to do this proper, you really want to have your own custom page that says, hey, thank you so much for your purchase. In the next few minutes, you're going to receive an email with your access details. In the meantime, I've got a special webinar sign up for you down below. I've got a special ebook, whatever you guys want to do. Okay, it's completely up to you. If you're smart, you'll create a very generic thank you page for all of your products. Okay, the refund period, go ahead and leave it for 45 days. That's fine. Don't worry about doing this unless you're doing massive product launches. Affiliate approval, I would definitely learn about this, but leave it for manual approval. And then you can go through here and you can type in your affiliate terms. All this stuff has to do with affiliates. You don't want to archive your product, but we're not done just yet. We need to come over here to this section right here, and you want to choose PayPal as your option. So we'll go ahead and minimize that. We turned off the product library. Remember, if you want to activate this, then you're going to show it active over here. A dime sell is where you guys see prices increasing, mainly on product launches. It's up to you if you want to learn more about this. If you want to put it in an autoresponder, so it goes straight from the JVZoo checkout to an autoresponder, you can do that. But remember, it's not really necessary because with MemberHub, we are putting it into your autoresponder for you. So I'm going to minimize that. Webinar integration, again, we're putting them into a webinar for you as well. You can do retargeting if you want. So you go and you place your retargeting pixels here, and then JVZoo will fire those off for you. But finally, this is the one that we care about right here. And with this, what we want to do is we want to grab our IPN from inside of MemberHub. So if I come back over here, we'll come back over here to the packages. Okay, so we'll go ahead and copy that payment notification URL. We'll come back over here to JVZoo. And you're just going to go ahead right here where it says external program integration. See how I open this up? We're just going to go ahead and paste this right here. And that's all we need to do. Go ahead and leave everything else the same. We don't care about none of this stuff down here, guys. It gets all technical. You don't have to worry about it. That's it. And it really is that easy. You know, if you want to start getting advanced and learn a little bit more about the affiliate platform, you can. And if you want to learn more about the library and the marketplace, you can. If you want to learn about dime sales and things of that nature, you can, but it's not necessary. Remember, I want you to get it set up as fast as possible so that you're able to start making profits as fast as possible. So we're going to come over here. We're going to click the Save Product button. Now you see that I have errors. Now this is pretty common, and all you have to do is look for the pink section. So over here, you see that we have a pink section, and the reason why is because it wants us to enter in autoresponder information. I'm going to set this to none. Okay, and now the box is closed. We don't have any more pink. Let's try it again. I'm going to click Save Product. Okay, and it says your product was successfully saved. Now, for some reason, if it's like an orange color or something like that, I can't remember the exact color, that means that the product is not available to be sold. And the reason why is probably because you did not set a URL for your delivery page. So make sure you do that, and your sales page, okay? So now what you can do is you can come over here and you can go ahead and test your purchases with JVZoo. So if I click Test Purchase, it's going to give me a code. and I'm able to go and take that code. Let me do this, create test purchase code. And I'm able to go ahead and open up this link here. And you can actually go through and test it and make sure that everything works. So it'll go through and it'll test it for a penny, and that's how you know if everything's working, okay? But for this instance right here, it's not important, okay? If you follow those exact steps that I just did, I know I went through them quick, but the reason why is because they are easy, okay? So here is the package that we just went and created. Now, if we come over here to Actions, we can come over here to the Buy buttons. Okay, now this is exactly what we want. So you're gonna leave it on HTML and just come over here and grab this button right here. And we're gonna go ahead and copy this. And we're gonna come back over here to Member Hub. And we're gonna go ahead and paste the button code right here. We're gonna click the Save button. And that's it. Our product has now been saved. And yes, that's how fast you're able to get set up with JVZoo. So let's take a look at what it looks like from the front end. Okay, so here is my sales page for the Amazon Mastermind. I'm gonna go ahead and refresh this. And now, remember, we're working on package C, and now package C has been priced at $47. If I click this, it is now opened up to JVZoo, and it is priced at $47, okay? So follow those simple little steps, and if you choose JVZoo to be your primary platform, then I highly recommend that you dive into some of their tutorials and you learn exactly the power of that platform.